and welcome back to our channel. Merry Christmas from Thealberts.
Merry Christmas, y'all. We didn't open presents, y'all. All the kids love their presents. All the adults love their presents.
Yeah. Okay, pimpin' has been pimping. Alright. Look at him. Hey, you better go ahead and do that. Hey, I see you. Yes.
Ain't you wrong? Put the black one on.
And it's red. Yes.
Put that black one on. I'm cold.
Melly.
That one right there.
About to run your TT over again.
You already did, girl.
Jesus.
That's sweet right there.
Oh, I like that.
Nice right there.
Okay. Let your mom wear it. I'm not. Just do a little spin. Do a spin. Yes. You better push that air out your way. He made you broke. Oh. Got coats and pursed out. I see y'all. Oh.
You know that's your Christmas gift.
Oh, show your right.
That is nice.
Watch your mouth.
Melly, you like that? Your uncle look fly? He fly? Look at him.
Throw me down.
Okay, hold on, baby. Oh. All right. Hey. The pose. The pose.
See your daddy.
She got more? She coming with more?
Yeah, she
He got some Burberry.
Oh.
Go get it. Well, you ain't get it sitting up here crying, nigga.
Oh.
And he got some Burberry cologne.
Oh.
I don't know how to pronounce that, but yeah.
You just say yeah.
Paco Roubaix.
What? What was that, sis? What was that? What was that?
And he got some Saint Laurent, y'all.
Oh.
Yeah.
C'est Laurent. Okay. Smell like money. Melly, it's not coming in the kitchen. Okay. Looking like money. You're looking like you look like money.
Money in him.
Hey. Get it.
Alright, y'all. So that is our Christmas. That's us opening up our gifts with our family.
We gotta wait on Cicely to come back.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we come back.
We'll come back.
I like that it come with a pink bag, and that's my favorite color.
That is fruit.
He know me.
He know you. And a pink one. Yes. Oh. Oh. Yes.
He know me. And it's pink in that side.
Yes.
I've been wanting this bag for so long.
I like that.
Nice big bag too.
Uh-huh.
It's a traveling bag, but I'm running it as a purse.
Period. Oh.
I like that.
It was some more stuff.
Dang, they didn't get wrapped, did it?
Uh-oh. Huh? Yes. Okay. It smell good.
Smell good, don't it?
Oh, that is cute.
That is real cute.
Oh. What does it say on there? Love.
Dream. Big brick.
I
Love.
like that.
This purse is so cute.
Oh.
And
pursed you out.
They go right with it.
She got $1 million of them.
Pursed you out. This is a Birkin.
What a. Oh, there's a business purse right here.
Oh. I like that one. Period.
I need my fur gloves. It's cute.
I like that. Nelly, you just
Thank you, Twan.
This is what I got my baby. I got her this ring light. She said that's what she wanted. Merry Christmas, baby, from Mama.
Thank you. Yeah, she invested into me another ring light. As y'all can see, there's one in there too. And I got one right here. About to give y'all this content. And my daddy gave me some money. Can't tell y'all how much. But he gave me some money.
Wait a minute. Money!
Oh, that's good. Give me guess what? He ain't supposed to have it, y'all.
What?
That junk is good in the mud.
Want me to get the poison off of it for you?
Huh?
Want me to knock the poison off of it for you?
Nah, nah, nah.
I'll give
He said he got it. He said he got it.
Y'all like that kind of beer? No!
What is this?
It's beer!
This ain't no damn beer.
It's beer!
It went from. That's enough beer. Ain't no more beer.
That is beer.
Oh,
It's citrus beer, but it's beer. I asked you, did you want me to get the poison off? You said, no, you got it. You sure do. Take another swig. It grows on you. Take another
make
swig.
you don't want this shit.
Take another swallow.
I'm good.
You want to make mine? This one.
It is beer. Look at it.
That's beer. It is. Look at it. Say beer.
I know it say. That's what it is.
It's citrus beer.
That's my beer.
Lime.
Lime beer.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm about to open.
The first swallow gets you, but
All right, y'all about to do Secret Santa.
Secret Santa. Go Secret Santa.
Okay. Who going first?
I'll go first.
Okay.
Okay, I got mama.
boom, bing, boom, get a boom.
Yeah.
Boom.
Oh, dang. Open it up.
Put that paper up.
Right. Uh-oh, what's that?
Is that massage for your feet?
Hopefully it's for them knees.
Body soothing foot innovations. Y'all know y'all done talked about my feet enough.
Don't want your feet in
shoot.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah, nobody feet in that.
That's nice.
Thank you, baby.
You welcome, huh?
There is room. Back massage. Girl.
Oh,
Yeah.
You know what I mean.
she really ain't gonna get up now.
I can't get it.
It's too comfortable.
All right, smile for you.
Bring my track back there.
Plug this up.
Oh, right now. She want it right
All
now.
right
Now,
now.
I'm not gonna be in there saying,
All right, all right.
right.
Yes.
All right now.
my baby got to that's my Maya. Do it.
Yes.
Okay, who next?
You know what I need.
Okay, I go next.
Okay.
Homie, sis.
Okay.
Homie sis.
Come on now, move on.
What?
Move on now.
I'm looking at your mama's stuff.
Ha! Here you go.
Of course.
Yeah, when I
You want to pull somebody else? What you got? What you got? What you got?
It's over there.
Where? Over there on the phone?
Ooh, what that?
He had stuff in there that was way over $35.
Because I knew somebody was going to bless me. Oh. I'm going to get fed, so I knew.
You better let your mama ain't get you because of I couldn't buy but 2 drops a week.
Oh, Lord.
Give me 2 drops a week.
Oh.
Like, oh, that's cute.
I put my hot cocoa in this today.
Oh,
Okay.
Turn around, baby.
Lord.
Just turn it around. There you go.
All right, there you go. All right.
That was over $35 too.
Oh, oh.
Alright, so I pulled Chris.
Open it up, open it up.
Oh, Lord.
Come on now, there he go being dramatic.
Don't be out there in the car crying.
Oh, boy, just flipped out. That's it. Bye, y'all.
What that is?
This is
What's your alarm clock?
It's the same one you had in the thing too. The same color, same everything. It's a digital alarm one.
Oh, boy, you good.
Okay.
You can wake
It's the
up.
same one. It's the same one he picked. So I hooked him up.
You can wake up with another cup. All these mine, you ain't got nothing over here. All this is mine right here. These mine. See, they get the small stuff, I get the big stuff. See?
I can shower in the morning.
Oh, Lord.
You got your shower speaker?
That's what's going to make it
That's
wait.
all you gonna hear. He gonna be taking. Hey, I'm
about an hour. I'll go now.
me
I
out.
go next. I got the person who always say they ain't never got no money. They ain't never got no money, but shop more than Santa Claus. And I know she probably because she done spent a lot of money. So then you didn't put on the thing what you wanted to get either. So I gave you the next best thing, which is $35.
Hey,
I know that's.
Then she gonna take my hand with her.
She was.
Okay.
I got a special one.
You got it for me, baby.
Maya just had you.
Well, he said the
My
special.
twin.
That's what she got a new purse.
You know she a cook anyway. Mini butt cake.
Load you up on those. Just a whole bunch of them.
Oh, she got some.
No,
Ooh.
glasses.
No.
I can't see what is it.
Candle melts.
What's a candle melt?
My wax warmer.
Oh, he gave you a lot of them. See what you trying to say, Chris? Dang.
Put them in a thing, they melt.
Oh, the ones in the bathroom.
Oh, he's trying to be funny.
No, she put a whole bunch on there.
That's a cute purse.
Period.
Watch
Period.
Watch the candle. All right, who next?
I go since I got Maya.
Aww,
Well, shit.
We got a planner on there too, but it be here.
Okay. Look at you. That's why you so adamant.
I got the wrong Secret Santa.
Okay.
I got the wrong Secret Santa.
Why you gonna
huh?
hit me?
I got some stuff there. Open it up.
That's
Oh, I
What
can
is
drink
that?
my stuff. Let's come with the straw, babe.
You got to go to
Something
mama.
she had on.
Yeah.
Okay. You don't want to go? You gonna bring your daddy gonna bring you back. She gonna get upset.
What's that?
Listen for real. She gonna get upset.
Oh, okay.
Aww,
What that
it's
is?
supposed to be cooking. It's all a thing for blend stuff up. My baby bought me nutrient and do that. Y'all want to have me eat healthy and stuff.
Did everybody go? Here. Open this.
I'll put it in my purse.
Y'all open it up. I want y'all to
Oh, shoot.
Wait a minute.
Okay, baby. Oh, shoot. Mama got. Mama.
Sure, fella.
Mama gave me. Okay.
Okay, y'all open up y'all stuff.
Okay, wait. Let me. Melly. You gonna open yours?
And hurry up. Open it.
Open it. Okay. Hey, you so crazy.
Open it.
Oh.
What is that?
Did you see what it said?
Oh, now I found you. Oh, she got it engraved on your mind. You always said you got money.
She got mine in gray.
I got it.
What is that?
I see the
That's my favorite perfume.
Oh,
we was gonna put
I knew that was that's your Jackson one, Chris.
Now don't ask me for my shit no more. You got your own. Merry Christmas.
No, he said two. Then he said get it 2 eggs. I said I'm wrapped to me.
Y'all better make sure I got the right one.
huh? Go get one.
Is that the right one, Daddy?
Hell yeah.
That's Mr. Pac-Man? No, that's me.
mine.
It's yours?
Yeah, this yours right here.
Okay, you can have
You
it's
didn't get, I'm tired of opening it.
Well, she got Miss Pac-Man game. Get y'all little box, Ma. Get her a box and stuff. No, that's a gingerbread.
Oh, I get this morning. Come on now, girl.
That's from grandma and daddy.
Open it up.
Open it.
Oh, hurry up. Tear it open. That's from grandma and your daddy.
Pull it.
Hurry up, sis.
That's mine.
Uh-oh. Ooh. What's that, sis? Yeah.
But what is it though?
What's that?
Jojo.
Jojo what? What is it? No, that's not yours. Huh?
No.
It's the hover round.
Hoverboard.
Hoverboard.
That's not hers. Ooh, they got it right there. Did you tell Santa Claus? Tell Santa Claus you wanted one of them? Ooh, yay!
That's from Grandma.
That's for me. That's for look. Grandma got you. Go open it. Go open it. You want to open it?
Ooh, open it up, Maddie.
Open it, baby.
Kids open up stuff so slow.
Ooh, you want some help? Let's see help them.
Woo! Oh, he going fast now.
Oh, you gonna be pimping out there.
Tinkerbell, you like it? What is this, Tinkerbell? Who's that? That Paw Patrol? Yeah.
He's like, yeah, put the rest of the toys down, fella. He won't put the rest of the toys down. Fella, he just.
No, look at this right here. Look.
What Maddie ever get
Look
that?
at this right here.
Right.
Oh, Lord. Help. Open.
You say help.
Woo! Look at fella.
Uh-oh.
Oh.
Woo! He's scared.
That's mine.
Oh, fella, look. He took
Woo! Y'all gonna be riding and stuff.
Grandma worked that pole a little early. Oh, Lord.
Woo! Turn it around, son.
Scissors, baby, so we can
Oh, another. You got another one. That's two.
Yeah.
You get two of them?
He got a whole bunch of. He like dinosaurs.
Calm down.
Woo!
You scared of dinosaurs?
But he like dinosaurs.
You ain't ready. You don't like them down.
He better not.
Dinosaur. Same
Thank
thing.
you.
Here, fella.
Open it up.
Give me the bag.
Open it.
That's from
That's from Titi Maya and Uncle Chris. Open it up, fella. Open it up for him, then, Daddy.
Okay, we gonna open this thing.
It's hot.
You like that?
Back
Okay, not like dinosaurs. It's just
learning.
Right.
Oh.
Go
fast. That's the mama's and baby. Yeah.
Here, fella.
Oh, you got something else.
Maddie said, quit playing with me over my truck.
Right, that's good. Look at him. He like,
That ain't burning the box, is it?
Is it? No, that's how we're trying to move it. Oh, okay.
Mama, you can put that candle out, babe.
Put it out. Another one.
Blow it out, yeah.
You got another one.
Oh, yeah.
We gonna have a home. We gotta decorate your room, huh?
Dinosaurs.
That's all dinosaurs,
You gonna be in the
man.
middle of the night.
What it say? Oh, look, you got a little car. Oh,
Yeah.
Oh.
You and Melly
What you
got
get?
Hey, Maddie.
What'd you get?
Melly,
That's from
A motor
Grandpa.
control car.
for Grandpa.
Woo!
Grandpa hug.
Look what you get. Look what you get. Oh, bro.
I thought those were rubber batteries, but I think it's like a default that they said that they gotta have.
Woo!
Mickey, oh, hey.
Oh. Look what you get.
Grandpa got that.
A motor control car. Look, you got another one. What, you got another one?
Wait a minute.
Ooh, what?
I don't have no room no more. It's on you.
Oh, look at that.
Ooh, okay, got a new outfit.
Oh, man. They're my jammers. You got jammers.
Thank goodness, you needed them.
Look. Oh.
Yep, him and Melly got the same jammers.
Oh.
Oh, there you go. There you go. Open up presents, man.
Hey, Poo-Poo.
You gotta go give him a hug when you get
Last
there.
one.
See the toilet hook right
Oh,
there.
you good, boy. You good, Chris?
I'm tired watching them open this up now. I'm tired watching them. I keep hearing Melly. I'm like, oh, Lord.
Boy, you good, boy. You pimping. You pimping.
Got you a jogger. All right, fella.
Oh, you camping.
You got me.
Looking good.
Yeah, you
You be ready for springtime now. You going jog? You going jog? Oh boy, you got the whole hook up.
Alright, put that to the side.
You got the whole hook up.
Hi, fella.
Well, we gotta blow this one up.
We need to tell her that.
Oh, she got her bag. Her book bag.
She coming back.
Sit right here.
Here.
Look, we got one more good Godzilla thing. We got one more Godzilla. Yeah, we got Godzilla. I told you another Godzilla. Did I tell you? Did I tell you? You got a big one this time.
Oh, you got another one?
Crank it down, girl. Let Grandpa see what you got.
Oh, open the gift I got you. Oh, yeah.
Grandpa see what you got.
Oh yeah.
Uh-oh, who was it?
Hey, that baby.
That's from TT and Uncle Twine. That's my phone right there.
Oh, man.
Woo!
Oh, man.
Oh, shoot now.
You be outside too, huh? Oh, yeah, I'm gonna be outside.
Melly can't get off his feet. Start with that.
Yeah, he pushing his. He ain't
The
no.
other gifts over there, hers too, Chris. Not yet, Sicily. Oh, the other gift first. Oh, the other gift. All them over there that say S and
Take your coat
Sicily.
off, Mom.
I'm gonna take my coat.
Okay, take your coat off.
On my camera.
Here, babe, the same, just in this paper.
Woo! Ooh, ooh.
It's right here.
That's from Grandma.
Ah! Remember we saw that on TV? You choked up like you wanted that? Remember?
Oh, not my fault.
This is Put the sock on. That's yours.
Sister, you just went by
Here,
the.
Sissy.
You say what?
They play music and they dance with her.
The game.
Yeah.
It's okay. Let's
Yeah. I have no idea. I ain't walking back. It's my bag.
It's outside.
That's from Grandpa.
Granddaddy. We got a kid.
I got 2 of them now.
I asked you, did you have one? I bought him one.
What is that? What is that?
Now we about to eat.
That's right.
Showing the food, showing the food.
Get it, man.
Got some mac and cheese on mine to add. That's when you know it's gonna be good when you see that. Got the string beans. Got the roast over here.
Got some cornbread over here.
Let's show y'all the cornbread. Got the cornbread. And can't forget. That's roast. Roast.
Oh. Can't forget.
Oh, she better put it in the big boy. Ooh.
That chicken right
Yeah, she slapped. So we about to eat. Thank y'all so much for watching our video.
And y'all know what y'all can do.
And this is what we need you to do.
Follow us on YouTube, y'all.
And subscribe to our
We got
channel.
new content coming. 2022, y'all. You feel me?
New content.
New content.
Peace out.